Some do-re-mi. Who's got a number? Opening bidder offer.
600.
600, loving it. Very clear instructions at 600,000. On purpose here to buy today. Good luck. You gotta show strength. Good on you at 620,000 at a bid now. We're underway with 2 in at 620 centre stage at 620. Terry, what are your good people going to say? 640 is the next number, but it's 620.
640.
640, thank you, at 640,000. Twice. Irrevocable. Oh,
750.
from where?
Right here.
Oh, look, our angel. Look at the smile on this one. Now, I tell you what, you've got to salute that bid. That is well done. At 750, puts that straight over the bow. Now, sir, though, that's not going to deter you, is it? But at 750,000, genius status here with the good lady. On my flank at 3/4 at a bid. Guys, I saw your hand go up before. I'm happy to take a little 2.5. Chance. At $750,000, going, 750. To get some instructions, hold tight every all.
751.
Okay, I'll take the little single, sir, and thank you, and I oblige at 751.
755.
Well, there we go at 55 at 755 on the counter. All 60, rightio.
70.
70. At 770, 770. See, that got the whispers going. 75 at 775 at 780. At 780, well, there you go. At 780, 80. Put up another 5, sir, but at $780,000, centre stage. First call, 780. Twice, that's New Zealand dollars, every one of them. Last chance at $780,000. Right, Dean, let's go and have a chat. Man, our Einstein here, my genius. Man, I'm going to follow you on Facebook. Is that okay? Because that is just some very good strategies there. Taking Dean advice at 780,000, we're on the market and we sell. Out she goes. Literally not a thing to do. What'd you say, 85?
Yeah.
90. Sorry. But 90, you're going to turn up my hearing aid at 790,000. You've just got to land on the 800, sir. You know it, I know it. You got to drive home, you got to have that discussion with the missus. Sorry, honey, I missed out. Gee, you wouldn't want to be having that chat. But it's 790,000 out of it now. Put up the 800. You fellas have had that chat out. Call it through. Last chance, 790. 95.
8.
There's the 8. So you left that door. I'll tell you what, we've got them talking now, Bob. It's called 800 selling. Twice. No one's under any confusion. We are out she goes. Last chance. Genius. At 800,000 it is going. And it is. It's all right. Sold to you, man. Well done. Good on you. She's gold. Trevor, now.